Welcome to the Day 57 quiz of the Bible Suite's Bible Eating Guide. Today you should have read number 7, which covers the offerings brought by Israel's leaders for the dedication of the Tabernacle. There are 7 questions in today's quiz, and you'll have 15 seconds to answer each one. If this is your first time here, you can follow along with us and grab my Bible Eating Guide right here, or you can check the description. And don't forget to let me know how you guys do in the comments. I actually do want to know. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, that was number 7, and don't forget to let me know how you did in the comments because I do want to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.